So this is a two-part question. We're looking at the shape OAB, which is a triangle or a section of a whole circle, if you include the shaded region. Now, for the first part of the question, part I, what we need to do is we need to find the exact value of the area of the triangle OAB. So the generic formula being A, or area, is equal to a half AB sine of C, where AB are the two sides and C is the angle in between those two sides. So in our case, we've got a half times 6 times 6, because it's radii of the circle, times sine of C. So C is just 30 degrees. Now, this is pretty easy because sine of 30 degrees is just a half. So we're going to have a half times 6 times 6 times a half, which comes together as 9. And this is in centimeters, so it's an area, so we've got to make sure we get the right units. Centimeters squared, okay? So that there is the answer to part I. Now, let's move down a bit, give ourselves a bit more room. We're going to do part II. So part II, we need to find the exact value of the area in the shaded segment. So if we go look at the question again, a shaded segment is the segment of the circle minus the triangle, okay? So what we need to do is we need to go area shaded is going to be equal to area of the, what's called circle segment minus the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle we worked up out here, which is just 9 centimeters. But what we need to work out before we can use this equation is the circle segment, okay? So to do that, what we do is we just go the area of the whole circle times the angle of that segment over 360. So the area of the whole circle is pi r squared, and r is just going to be 6 centimeters in this scenario. And then what we do is the segment angle all over 360. So what we get is we're going to have 6 squared, 30 on 360, which is just a 12th. So 6 squared is 36. We'll just put the pi there, all over 12. And then we can just simplify. We'll get 36 on 12 is just 3. So we just get 3 pi centimeters squared for the area of the circle segment. So now we can find the area of the shaded region. Like we said, we're just going to have area shaded is going to equal 3 pi minus area of the triangle, which is 9. So I'm just going to leave that in exact terms. So there you go, that's the answer to part II.
Snack is an online platform to instantly create and share videos just like this one. To watch more or try a hand at making your own, head over to snackapp.io.